Hello, today we are going to present our low fidelity prototype. For this part, we selected two requirements. First is personalized focus timer with background sound. So here we want to set a timer with optional background noise like rain or cafe or white noise so we can focus even in noisy environments. As a task, we have these four tasks. First, the user opens the focus timer app, then user presses on set background sound and choose any background that they like. Then the user press on set timer, sets for example 40 minutes study timer, and finally presses start and starts the session. And second requirement is progress tracking and daily streaks. Here we want to view our daily and weekly study progress so we can stay motivated and build consistent study habits. The tasks here are: the user completes the focus session and selects check progress, then app displays a bar chart showing daily and weekly study hours, then user reviews their streak count and average study time, and they open add task to record a new study, tasks with notes, due dates, and priority. Also, a combo box appears for selecting the due date, and another combo box provides four priority options: high, medium, low, and no priority.
In the next slides, we will talk about the visualization of our prototypes that we designed for user testing. As mentioned earlier, we focused on two main requirements to test the interface and collect feedback from 8 users: personalized focus timer and progress tracking with daily streaks. To explore these ideas, we used paper prototyping. As shown in the image, we followed a minimal design style to avoid confusing users. We designed 3 pages for the first feature and 4 pages for the second one, plus 2 combo boxes that allow users to personalize their tasks. In this slide, I will show how the sticker buttons work and how the user navigates between screens. For the personalized focus timer, the user can set a custom study duration in the set timer page. The timer starts from that point, and as we mentioned before, users can also choose a background sound like rain to improve focus. Then they can start the session. During the countdown, a small glowing light appears in the top right corner to help users stay focused. At this stage, the user can pause or end the session. If they continue until the end, a simple screen appears with a sticker saying focus session completed and 3 action options. By selecting Check Progress, the user moves to the Progress Tracker page. This screen shows a table with total daily and weekly study time. Below that, there is a bar chart showing the user's activity over the past 7 days, including a weekly summary bar. From here, users can either go back using the top left button or top task report to move to another screen. In the task report page, users see a list of their tasks with the total hours spent on each. They can also select add a new task or go home to return to the timer. In the new task screen, user can enter a title, select a due date from a date picker, and set a priority level: high, medium, low, or none using combo boxes. After pressing the Add button, the new task appears in the task report list. These are the prototype designs and how we presented them to users. In the next part, we will explain how users interacted with them and the feedback we received.
User testing. Both prototypes were tested by 8 participants, 6 graduate students, 2 undergraduate students. Our procedure: the following scenario was presented to each participant. You're going to study for 20 minutes using the focus timer tool. They used our prototype to complete each specified task. We observed how quickly they finished each activity and took notes of any questions or comments. Collected data from having targeted users, documented usability behaviors, how users move between the screens for setting up timers, how they chose the sound, how they received the session feedback, how users move between report, tracker, and task screens, how easily they found progress information and stats, how they interpreted charts and study hours across different days, how they added and reviewed tasks. Verbally collected feedback right after each session regarding design, missing features, simplicity, and clarity. Findings and observations. Personalized focus timer with background sound. Users enjoyed the background sound option and simple interface. It was easy to understand the color changing progress circles, and they liked having the background sound option. What didn't work well was a few individuals requested to change the time during the sessions. Some users found it difficult to recognize the color indicator. Improvements: add an extended time button and add a settled progress bar. Progress tracker. Users appreciated the clear, simple flow between pages, finding it easy to understand and follow. They also liked the clean, distraction-free design, which helped them stay focused while studying. Most users found the progress bar chart motivating, as it encouraged them to keep track of their study hours. Graduate users valued the ability to add new tasks with priorities and notes, which helped them organize their projects efficiently. In addition, short and clear labels such as task report, add a task, or check progress made navigation intuitive and effortless. What didn't work well? Users couldn't clearly see their total or average study hours. The chart lacked numerical indicators. 2, users suggested showing study streaks or day-by-day comparisons. Users expected a confirmation pop-up after adding a new task. 2 graduate users noted that the add task screen lacked a category field, i.e. research, class, or projects. Improvement plans. Add visual streak tracking, include numerical summaries to clearly show totals and average study hours, provide a confirmation pop-up or short success message after adding a new task. Add a task category field to help users organize and filter their study types, i.e. research, class, or projects. Evaluation summary. Tested 2 low-fidelity prototypes with 8 students, 6 graduate students, 2 undergraduate students. Overall, users appreciated simple flow and clear visuals. Focus timer. Strengths. Easy to start a session with background sounds. Needs improvement. Add extended time button. Make stating indicators clearer. Progress tracker. Strengths. Bar chart and clean layout motivated users to track study hours. Needs improvement. Add clearer labels, pneumatic summaries, daily streak visualizations, task categories, and confirmation methods after adding tasks. Conclusion. In the high-fidelity prototype, we'll focus on a clearer microcopy, richer feedback, and features that support habit building and better organization. Plans for the high-fidelity functional prototype. Improvements for focus timer. Add an extend time button. Include settle progress bar. Enhance the color indicators. Improvements for progress tracker. Add visual streak tracking to boost motivation. Show numeric summaries. Add customizable category settings so users can create and assign their own task types. Display a confirmation pop-up after adding a task. And rename unclear labels.